Maharashtra, it appears that the Ajit Pawar-led NCP seems to have received a big blow right before the assembly elections in Maharashtra. In fact, leaders and corporators who actually belong to the Ajit Pawar faction from Pimpri Chindwad joined the Sharad Pawar-led NCP. In fact, this happened at the residence of Sharad Pawar in Pune. NCP's Pimpri Chindwad unit chief, Ajit Gavhane, is also among the leaders who've joined the party, basically jumped back to the Sharad Pawar faction. Three other senior leaders of the NCP's Pimpri Chindwad unit just yesterday quit the party, and there's a likelihood that they too will formally join Sharad Pawar. Remember, assembly elections in Maharashtra is barely a few months away, about the end of the year, and it seems like the Mahayuti at this point struggling to hold back their cadre, and the first ones to slip is NCP faction of Ajit Pawar. Mustafa Sheikh joining us live for more on that. Mustafa, why is this important? You have Ajit Pawar faction, some of the corporators who've decided to join Sharad Pawar. How are they really going to affect the upcoming assembly elections? Perception-wise, yes, but if otherwise, does this do any damage? We hear that these are leaders who didn't get a ticket, which is why they're upset. What's the guarantee that they're going to get a ticket on the other side?
Well, during the elections, as the elections in Maharashtra come up, messaging is also important. Ajit Pawar constantly has been under pressure politically because the Lok Sabha performance of his party was not so well in Maharashtra, and overall Mahayuti didn't do so well. And now when during a state election, which is very crucial for all parties, if the political workers and the state unit chiefs are shifting guns and they're going back to Sharad Pawar, initially where the fix took place from, then it sends some political trouble messaging for Ajit Pawar, who is trying to rebuild his strategy for the upcoming state assembly elections. He's also hired people and strategists, and the government of Maharashtra is going all open, announcing schemes like Ladli Behna, Ladla Bhai, and among this, the party office bearers who are not getting assurance for assembly seats are jumping guns to other coalitions. There are two major coalitions in Maharashtra. One is MVA, the other is Mahayuti. So in the coming days, you will see on the 288 seats, wherever there are incumbent MLAs, they will have to be given tickets, or that party will get the ticket. So other people who are interested will try their lucks to the other coalitions. They will shift the parties, they will leave their ideologies, and they'll try to contest their chance in the upcoming assembly elections. Ajit Gavhane is one of those who seems that he tried for a assembly seat from Bosri. When he didn't get it, he has shifted from Ajit Pawar NCP to Sharad Pawar NCP. Back to you.